My name is Boisefania. I grew up in refugee camp in Mozambique.
My name is Ambika Kafle and I'm from Nepal.
Hello, my name is Goldin. This story is about my first day in Alaska school.
My name is Miriam.
I'm Khalil. 6 years ago, I went to H2 Oasis with my family.
Hello, my name is Douglas.
Hello, my name is Sigrid.
My name is Furai. It means happy and I'm happy.
This workshop is a collaboration between the Alaska Teen Media Institute and Catholic Social Services Refugee Assistance Program and Storyworks Alaska. And we're helping this group of young people from the Refugee Assistance Program tell their own stories and learn about storytelling through photography and audio. Be brave. Do you remember what the second goal is? Be honest and stay open.
I want to be a telling story, and I want to be a good telling story, a good photographer like the teacher has.
It's been really neat to watch how they've gone, how the students went from day one saying, I don't have any stories to tell, to day two, spending the entire day working on the stories that they did have to tell, or they did want to tell, and then today taking those stories and refining them and being in that room while everybody was working hard on editing their stories was really neat to see.
If I was in Nepal, I wouldn't be interested in photography or journalism, but here I just want to tell stories of other refugee people like me.
It's so important for me to get this opportunity for this workshop.
Beautiful.